Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Virgin Galactic, where the shares shot up in the last trading session because the company has announced that it's going to test the space flight this Saturday, or is targeting this Saturday. Now, this is a very interesting situation because it's completely unexplored, where companies open for space tourism. And if you don't know, that Virgin Galactic is one of those companies which is listed in the stock exchange. And as you can see in the press release, that the stock jumped this Thursday trading after this space tourism company announced that its next space flight test is targeting this Saturday, following the completion of maintenance review and its carrier aircraft. So obviously, previously the concern was it's going to be delay from this month, but since the company re-announced that it's going to be on time on this Saturday, the stock price jumped. Now, if you're looking at the price action of Virgin Galactic, so you can see from 2017 till 2019, this stock has moved in a very narrow band of a dollar, and after that, from the lows of December 2019, it sharply shoots up on the upside, and this is what the trend is saying, and then it has changed. Now, obviously, when the trend is changed, we need to comply with the trend. Now, as you can see here, I don't want to use this line because this is the near reference. Now, as you can see, you will find a support here, and if I try to draw a line, okay, then you will see whether the trend line is working or not, and it is perfectly working. So as you can see how the range is and what are the lows and the highs of this particular stock in terms of price movement. Now what I will do, I will further subdivide the trends into short, intermediate and long. And by the way, this is the weekly chart, so it's going to be for next couple of weeks and months. As you can see here, from the past lows of March 2020 till the highs of February 10 to 2021. So in a span of 322 days, the stock went up by 590%. So it's a, I would say, very good amount of returns that the stock has given before it actually went down from $64 to its current price of to $20. Now, using the trend line, you will have your big support, or I would say the stop loss at 14.46. So don't try to go below this. Now on the upside, you will have your first target at $21, and the stock has already tested and fall back a bit on the lower side. But once it started moving and surpasses 21.32 and sustain above that, you will have your first range of targets, which will be in between $38 and $46. And the big target which we are looking for end to end will push the price in between $72 and $88 on the upside. So this is the range, or these are the ranges that we are going to look at in this particular stock over the next couple of weeks and months. But the basic thing here to understand is, in terms of stock price movement, do not try to go below 14.46, as this will be your last point respite. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.